it's an interesting web series, and I was always looking to do something interesting on web. And when this character came to me, and the script came to me, I found my character very interesting and something that I wanted to portray. So I'm fortunate that I got an opportunity, and it has turned out pretty good, and I'm happy that I've done that. And now I'm waiting to see the results.
Although many have explored this medium as such and have become successful also, but being a film star, that is a thought when you are approached with a web series or any news medium like that.
I don't know what reservation that people have towards web series. Web series is the next big thing. All if you see the people in the West, there's that should be taken as an example that how big web series are already over there and how big stars from cinema have gone on to the web series and become even bigger stars. You know, whether it's Kiefer Sutherland or whether it was Kevin Spacey, or whether it's so many Robin Wright and so many other actors who were on cinema but never got the kind of recognition and fame that they got on web series, and they became even bigger stars and multi-millionaires. So that will happen sooner or later here. Cinema is there and will always exist, but this will coexist with cinema. And I think actors, creative people will get their due on even digital platform.
You're not only an actor but also producer. So what do you think? I mean, if the medium grows in the future as well, web series, will it affect the cinema business, the film business?
I just told you that they will coexist.
Okay.
It will may affect a bit, but I think cinema content will change. Maybe cinema will have to make a slight transition, which whenever there's something challenging or whenever there's an opposition, it needs to be done, which will happen. So cinema will probably, the content that is happening will have to change, because certain kind of content is going to be web for web and digital space, and certain kind of content will be for cinema. So I think both will have their space, and I think they both will coexist.
So lastly, asking, I mean, the title of the series is Poison. As you mentioned that something which is over like lust or greed or anything else. What do you have to tell about the media and this interference regarding when they ask something controversial as such, the interfering life regarding something personal like about celebrity as such. Is that Poison that interfering means culture of the media fraternity? What do you have to say?
I think some people have got used to the fact that there is a paparazzi culture that is there, which you cannot avoid. Whether you ask me whether every time you need to be filmed or you need to be, I don't know. Some people have a different opinion. I personally feel that ये जो जैसे कि यहाँ इस टाइम पे जब लेजिट आपकी जब इंटरव्यूज़ वगैरह लेने होते हैं या आपके फोटोग्राफ्स लेने होते हैं, यहाँ आपको ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. बट when there is a when I'm sitting and having like a private dinner with my son, I don't necessarily that I want it to be photographed, or maybe for my with family member, or maybe with my girlfriend, or maybe with anybody who I want to go. I may not necessarily want it to be public. Today, पहले ज़माने में जब लोग सिटी छोड़ के जाते थे, तो वो किसी को नहीं बताते थे कि वो सिटी छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. कि यार उनको छुट्टी पे जाना है, वो बॉम्बे छोड़ के जाते थे. अभी आपके गेट के ऊपर खड़ा है एक आदमी, आप बॉम्बे छोड़ के जा रहे हो, दुनिया को आप बता रहे हो कि बॉम्बे छोड़ के जा. तो मेरी प्रिवेसी है किधर? मैं कब जाता हूँ बाहर, मैं कब आता हूँ, आपको सब दुनिया को बताना है. तो मेरी ज़िंदगी की बाहर की ज़िंदगी तो आपने कहाँ खाना खाता हूँ, कहाँ नहीं खाता हूँ, मैं चाहूँ या ना चाहूँ, आप बता रहे हो. तो वो एक किस्म से चला गया आपकी ज़िंदगी की एक थोड़ी सी प्रिवेसी जो होती है, कि आप चुपचाप बैठ के कहीं डिनर कर रहे हो, या चुपचाप शहर छोड़ के चले गए, या चुपचाप आप कहीं हॉलीडे ले रहे हो. आप चाहो नहीं चाहो गाड़ी से उतरो और शुरू. तो वो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. अभी यू हैव टू लिव विद दैट थिंग. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ दैट. But I don't know. I think that's something that we'll have to deal with.
Thank you.
Poison 2 शुरू नहीं हुआ, रिलीज नहीं हुआ.